This is the AOS large rear drawer storage bag, a really versatile storage option for your four-wheel drive and camping expeditions. I'm going to tell you all about it.
Hit it.
Ben from Snow's here, folks, today with the AOS or Aussie Outback Supplies rear drawer storage bag. Now, this is the large size in the bags. This is a really versatile option for storage in a rear forward, like a drawer system in a four-wheel drive. It's got handles that sort of come up the side so you can drop it in and out of the drawer pretty easily. But you can also just sort of slide it in the back of the car, underneath a rear shelf, or in a footwell of a car, or even, it doesn't even have to be a four-wheel drive. It could be a wagon or any sort of whatever you're using to go camping with. It's just a really heavy-duty solution for storage. It weighs about 570 grams, measures 43.5 centimeters in length, 40 centimeters in depth, and about 17 centimeters in height. Now, this is an Australian-made product, so the canvas even is an Australian-made 14-ounce ripstop canvas. It's been put together with a heavy-duty polycotton thread. On top is a clear PVC zip closed top, so you can see what's inside. And the zipper is a number 10 coil zip, which has got a lockable feature on it. So you've got these little loops here that you can push together, put a padlock through it, and lock the contents inside. I'll have a look inside the bag, and I've got a few items I can throw in there just to show you, give you an idea of what you might be able to store in there. Now, I like to use this size bag for clothes. I can, when I'm pulling clothes from my car to my tent, keeps them nice or well protected, keeps them dry if there is any moisture around, and it allows me to fold the clothes pretty flat when they're inside. But you might also use it, say, for a recovery kit. I've got a few just basic. This isn't a full kit, but just a few items to give you an idea of the size. It's an 8-ton snatch strap there. It's got a bow shackle and a little tire repair kit, so you can see you've got plenty of room to fit some gloves, another bow shackle in there if you like, a tree protector as well, maybe some other tools, plenty of room in there. Alternatively, you might like to use it for some kitchen supplies, pots, pans, saucepans, keep them protected. Or I've also got a dinner set here for 4 people. You can see that this is going to fit really easily inside here. You could fit even more in there if you liked. You could probably fit a coffee maker, more cups. You could fit some food in there as well if you like. Zip it up, and it's going to keep it well protected and easy to drop in and out of your four-wheel drive, or slide it, say, underneath a shelf, or amongst other things that you've got stored in there. Now, just on the handles, I haven't mentioned these yet. They are a nice heavy duty handle. There's a nylon webbing here, and quite a firm, this is sort of a soft cover over the top of a firmer bit inside to give you a nice grab handle there, so you can fit a reasonable amount of weight in there and carry it quite comfortably. Now, I reckon this type of storage bag is one of the best things you can add to your camp kit. It provides durable, long-lasting and reliable storage for just about anything. You might find you put something different in there each time you go camping until you find just that perfect combination of gear. You can grab these online at snowies.com.au at our lowest prices every day. If you've got any questions, let us know down in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel. We'll send you all of our latest and greatest information. Or check out some other AOS products like this one down here.